Oh, my dad's already here. All right, looks like he's trying to get in already. Let me go around to the front. My dad's got to break into his own house after some people moved out, so I came over here to help him. Okay, well, we managed to get the locks off, and it was my bright idea to break the glass so we could just reach in the second door and we wouldn't have to take the locks off. So now, here we go. I need you guys to like and subscribe. There's a lot of content coming up. We're gonna be doing this house. Wow, this is terrible. Oh my God.
You gonna ride with me, or you gonna?
Yeah, all right with you.
Or you gonna stick around? Or you can reach back through and lock the door temporarily.
Yeah. God dog it, I'm thinking like, why would somebody do this?
I was wondering if I should brace it here.
You should brace it right here.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
you can't reach it.
Yeah.
I got a saw downstairs. They didn't take the saw.
I'm hearing them, but I'm thinking like, holy shit.
Sorry about that.
It's just a blood bath.
Huh?
Nothing. Okay, just finished changing the top and bottom lock, the screen door, and the side entry door, top and bottom lock. All changed. Next thing I gotta do is replace this glass. Looks like a little bit more work than I expected, but let's tackle it. First thing I'm gonna do is just empty everything out of the kitchen. Let's do a brief walkthrough. Okay, we're leaving from the kitchen. This is living room, dining room area. Just looking at what I gotta fix. Broken glass, that chandelier over there. I had to brace that for safety purposes so no one would try to break in again. So stuff all over the walls. I see a Sweet Baby Ray's bottle in the corner. So I'm anticipating that's what it is. I'll just trust it. So we got 3 bedrooms here. Here's the first bedroom. Oh, okay. We'll just remove that wallpaper off. That should be easy. I'm hoping. Okay, second bedroom here. It's not too bad. This isn't really bad. It's just a lot of stuff, but cosmetically we'll be straight. I'm good. As long as there's a lot of cosmetic stuff. Well, I don't like a lot of cosmetic stuff. Bathroom, pink tub, pink toilet. Okay. Pink and blue. Okay. Let's go to the next room. Sorry, not meaning to get y'all dizzy. All right, this is the third room. Yeah, basically I'm making sure, like, I'm glad none of the drywall is torn out. It could be worse. Looks like this is yeah, that's terrible. All right, well, we're gonna just get started cleaning up everything, organizing, and just getting everything out of here. So just stay tuned. Please like and subscribe. There's a lot of content coming. And I'm trying to get better at editing, so like and subscribe, and you'll see as the progression. Thank you. exterior of the house looks. Just gonna walk around the side and the back. This is a 3-bedroom brick exterior. It's got 2 full baths and a 2-car garage. The roof on the exterior garage and house is only like 5 years old, so that's a good thing. I didn't have to do that. Yep, we're already into day 2. I had already scrubbed. I was trying to put that in the original film. The baseboards, I had scrubbed these. There was caked up grease everywhere. So see that in the corner, how that's black and dirty? That side I didn't do yet, but it was all like caked up with just grease and dirt. The wall, this whole wall right there, just nothing but grease on the whole wall. So I understand the stove and refrigerator are against this wall, but yeah, this wall was just one big wall of grease. pretty much as clean as they're going to be. Basically, as you saw earlier in the video, that these walls were basically covered with some sort of caked on grease or something. So I got that off as much as I could. And then basically all I'm gonna do, obviously paint those, but I'm gonna put some primer, some nice primer on the walls here, and then a nice coat of paint. Obviously we're gonna do the floors. And then one thing that I did off camera, day one, we literally had to break this window in order to get into the house. So I had to replace this glass here, and then I added this. Anyway, so yeah, I basically just redid this is drying right now. But basically I just re-put the glass in, had to cut it in and everything, and tomorrow I'm basically going to just finish all of this off there. The windows here, just clean everything up. Tomorrow I'm gonna clean the windows really nice and see where we stand. I can't get these two windows to open up, so I'll mess with that tomorrow. Other than that, I think we're making some pretty decent progress here. Wiped down all the baseboards, and then actually cleaned all the baseboards. And you can see these, like this piece here, all of these little socket things. I'm going to probably change all of these to 3-prong. And then this one is upside down, so I'll flip that around, change all of this stuff to 3-prong. And other than that, then once I get everything, well, I'm working on getting everything nice and neat here. Cabinets, I'm gonna sand everything down, see where I stand there. This looks terrible right now, but after I get done with it, I'll refinish all of that. Countertop, I'm thinking epoxy. I need to figure out what I need to do here. But other than that, just gonna make this room really neat and clean and turn it into a kitchen again. And then I'll deal with everything else, but just one room at a time, make everything look neat, and then I'll move to the next room.